Welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will see how to give static IP address to computer or laptop LAN card. Now move to our videos. Go to icon, Wi-Fi icon or LAN icon. Right click on it. Open network and internet setting. Then go to Wi-Fi. Here in Wi-Fi we also shown Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Both options are available. We can click on, then go to right side and click on change adapter options. Friends, here we see in Wi-Fi option is on and it is connected, secured. Here are different options we are seeing: show available network, hardware properties, manage known networks, and some other options. First of all, we will see show available network. Friends, here are different numbers, different SSIDs which are shown to me, which are close to my laptop, or their signals are shown in my laptop. Then we will see hardware properties, its Wi-Fi properties or its MAC address and different things. Then manage known network. These are the list which we add time to time from different places where we connect our laptop to Wi-Fi. Random hardware address. Friends, random hardware address are that address which will assign automatically and change automatically. If we on this option, then its MAC address will change automatically after every time when we connect to LAN or WAN or any Wi-Fi network. Then hotspot network, there is also available hotspot network. We can also use this. We will cover this hotspot in some other videos. Today we will only see options how to give IP address to LAN card or Wi-Fi card in laptop or computer. Then go to our topic, change adapter options. Friends, here we see all the LAN cards or Wi-Fi card which are available, which are installed in laptop are shown here. Here are different number of LAN card, and this is Wi-Fi card. Double click on it. Here we see Wi-Fi status. Its connectivity IPv4 connectivity. Okay, IPv6. I did not own this IPv version 6 connectivity. Media status enabled. SSID are shown here. Its duration, how much time it connected to this Wi-Fi, and its speed are also shown here, and signal quality is excellent. Then we also its LAN card properties. Then we see also its detail. Here are detail which are like its IP address, its DHCP enabled, its IP address, its subnet mask, and some other options. Friends, this LAN card is DHCP enabled. DHCP means its dynamic host control protocol. Its IP are given to automatically. We are not assigned statically, but I tell you how to assign a static IP to any LAN card, or we can give multiple IP to one LAN card. Friends, here we see wireless properties like wireless name, SSID, network type, network availability, and connect automatically when this network is in range. If we uncheck, then it will not connect automatically. We have to connect this access point. and also look for other wireless network while connected to this network, and connect even if network is not broadcasting its name SSID. It means if we are not shown SSID, we will connect to access point or Wi-Fi router because we manually give SSID to LAN adapter. Then other tab is security. Here security type web personal, and encryption type AES, network security keys, and advanced settings. These are advanced settings. Now friends, go to property tabs. Friends, here are different options are shown, like client network, VMware, bridge protocol, and file and printer sharing for Microsoft Network. If we uncheck this option, then we will not send print, or we will not connect to sharing option like sharing folder and sharing resource. We cannot access sharing resource. And then internet version protocol 4, TCP/IP4. Then some other options are internet protocol version 6 is also available, which I uncheck, and some other options are shown here. Friends, here second option is sharing internet connection sharing. We also, if we check this option, we can also share our internet. Like if I connect through wired cable like Ethernet, with Ethernet, then I can share my internet to some other mobile devices and some other laptops. I can share my internet to other devices which have no internet. I have to check this option and then select which network adapter will share this. Like I can select this some network adapter, then its setting. I can select the services running on this network that internet user can access. Like these are the different services. Friends, I will click on internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP, then click on its properties. Here we see its obtain and IP address automatically are selected, and if we want to give static IP, then we select the use the following IP address. Then we will run like 2.168. We have to give the IP address the same as same class. Okay, 30 I give 39 192.168.1. It's gateway, and I can also give preferred DNS or DNS. I can use Google DNS. Then click on advanced. Here are IP settings, and then default gateway are shown, and then DNS settings are shown here, and then WINS. Here are these are the advanced TCP/IP settings, which we are shown here. I click on OK, and then OK, and finally OK. Now see, now I check whether our internet is working or not. I will ping to google.com. Now I am receiving reply from google.com. It means our internet is working, and This is the way we can give the static IP address to our LAN card, laptop or our computer. Friends, these are the different options which we can change or use according to our requirement, like DNS, register this connection, addresses in DNS, or use this DNS connection suffix and in DNS registration. And we can also use we can use default NetBIOS name over DHCP server, or enable NetBIOS name over TCP/IP, or disable. We can use anything according to our requirement. Friends, our IP address assigning is process is complete. Friends, here we see also disable. If we want to disable or enable LAN card, then we click on it. We can disable it. If we will disable it, then it's return to gray. We can also click on enable, then our internet LAN card will be enabled. Friends, these are the settings. These are the way from which we can give the static IP address to LAN card. Friends, we can also use this internet option or open internet option through start menu, then go to settings. After this, we can go to network and internet. Here we see all the options which we see in last step. This is also where we can change or we can assign the IP address to LAN card through this method. Friends, one other way is to which we can give assign IP address to any LAN card, Wi-Fi or local or wide network. Go to control panel, then see here network and internet sharing. Click on it. Friends, here we see the LAN card connected, like access type internet connection, SSID are shown. Here we see change adapter setting, which we also do in previous steps. We will click on it. Here, friends, we see all the same options which we go through. Friends, this is another way we can use and we can give IP address to any LAN card. Friends, this is all about today's topic. I hope you will like this video. For to see more good videos about from me, please subscribe and like my channel. You will definitely, it will help you in IT field. Thank you. Bye.